indicator generate out 224% profit in our backtest strategy. In this video, we are going to go through this indicator and optimize the best setting for this indicator. Basically, we will try the best setting based on our strategy time frame. This indicator can generate out auto buy sell signal when the chart shows reversal in momentum. For example, the chart shows a bullish green long signal. Basically, we can start to plan for our trade at this position with relevant cut loss and take profit point. Besides, we can long our position until our target price. When the graph shows reversal, we can start to plan for exit on position as momentum have decreased. Make sure that you watch to the end of this video as we will provide customization for our strategy with the most suitable time frame. Let's start. If you are finding a Forex broker trading platform for trading, you can try out XM Global Broker Platform as they are providing $50 sign-up bonus using the link in the description. Let's start. First of all, open up the indicator in the Indicator tab. Basically search for Range Filter Buy and Sell 5MN Strategy by Pueblosis. In the setting, for 1 month scalping, the sampling period will be 2030. Range multiplier will be 1.52. For 5 month scalping, the sampling period will be 5070. Range multiplier will be 2 to 3. For 15 month scalping, the sampling period will be 80-100. Range multiplier will be 2.5 to 3.5. Basically, these are my optimized setting for trading this true range multiplier strategy. You can take as a reference and customize for your own trading strategy based on your time frame. As in the chart shows a buy signal. Basically, you can plan your trading strategy as the chart is still having a relative low area with low risk. It stands at the support of the chart. So basically, we can start to plan our trade using risk-reward ratio. When using risk-reward ratio, make sure that the risk-reward projection is more than 1 so that we can have a reward bias trade based on the trading strategy. We can long our position until I found a resistance or reversal in momentum. When there's a reversal in momentum, we can start to plan for our exit trade position. When sell signal are formed in the chart, reversal momentum occur, it's the best we can take profit and escape from our current long position. When using this indicator, make sure that you backtest each of the setting as all indicator does not provide 100% winning rate, but you need to choose for the best indicator that suit your trading style. If you want to learn more on trading indicator check,